How you doing, folks? I'm Trenius. I'm about to tell you how to use your zodiac sign in astrology to attract money. Oh my God, this is gonna be such a fun topic. Are you ready for this? Because I done some real extensive research and I figured out how you can attract more money really fast by just using your very own zodiac sign. Okay, so listen close. Let's get right down into it. I'm not gonna waste any time. Divine powers are always working for us because we're trying to do right. Oh, and by the way, speak up and let your voice be heard. Leave a comment below and let us know what sign that you are. Okay, so first and foremost, when it comes down to your zodiac sign, you know, whether you're Libra, whether you're Pisces, whether you're Scorpios, y'all know what y'all known for. Oh, Geminis, happy. Geminis, I ain't gonna say too much. That's what they say. That's not what I think though. But anyway, y'all know how all the signs have like this superstitious thing to them, right? It's like this person believes that about, you know, a Capricorn, and everybody say that Sagittarius is our blood and all this and that, which may be true. But the truth is, folks, you do not have to believe every single thing that you see written by somebody else for your zodiac sign for that day, that time of month. You don't. Because people write these things. Like, yes, people like me and you write these things. You know, most of the time it's not really astrologically correct, like to 100%, okay? So what your job to do in order to attract money, you have to continuously read your horoscope, or, you know, see the details that are portrayed in your zodiac sign that they're trying to get you to understand. Extract from what they're saying all the positive things, all the positive statements, everything they say good about your sign. Take that and filter out all the bad. Don't believe everything that people tell you about your zodiac sign, especially if it's not good. You understand? Because you got to understand, when you taking on beliefs, it gets into your subconscious mind and you'll start to believe that about your zodiac sign. You know, and the truth is, folks, you don't have to believe anything that you don't feel resonates with you. You know, and I don't think anybody wants to resonate with something that they said bad about their zodiac sign. Don't you know how many people like actually resonate with things that are told to them about their zodiac sign is bad? Like, come on, you gotta be strong. You gotta be mentally strong and say, no, I don't want that negative stuff. I want all the positive stuff. So first things first, you know, first things first is stop believing all the negative things that your zodiac sign is telling you, because when you do not fill yourself up with the positive things about your zodiac, it will keep you and repel you from attracting money. And y'all know what it takes to attract money, all right? It takes a whole lot of positive energy. It takes a whole lot of positive energy. So extracting only the positive out of your zodiac sign is how you put yourself into a higher vibration to where you will be able to attract more money into your life. And let's go ahead and face it, folks. Most of the time, written, you know, superstitious, mythological stuff about, you know, the zodiac, and, you know, stuff that's just been passed down lineage through generation to generation. You know, we got to keep in mind that people, you know, actually wrote this stuff. Another thing that you can do in order to attract money, you know, using your zodiac sign, is pay attention to, when you read horoscopes, the money part. Sometimes they like to talk about money when you're reading information on your zodiac. Sometimes when you look in the newspaper and it's like, you know, your zodiac sign, what you should experience this month, or what. Sometimes they might throw some stuff in there about some currency, some capital, some finance. Be very mindful of that. Be very watchful of the information that you read and that you understand about your sign that has to do with money, okay? You know, another thing that you should also do in order to attract more money through your zodiac sign is remember, or check and see which family members have your zodiac sign, or even friends. Everybody that you run into that have your zodiac sign, you gotta kind of be a little snoopy a little bit. You know, you might want to start talking about finances or something like that, just to try to see where their finances are, you know, and what is in their pocketbook. You know, you gotta try to understand your sign from a different perspective. See if this person is attracting money that is you know, a Scorpio, and then you're a Scorpio. You want to see, hey man, you know, where you work at? You know, where you work at? What you do? Yeah. where you buy that at, man? I like that hat you got on. Where you buy that at? You got to see what stores they shop at and stuff like that. Because sometimes you can get some insight, get some inner detail, some intel on what this person is like in their financial life when it comes down to attracting money, and it will give you, understanding about your sign, especially if they have the same sign, when it comes down to attracting money. Another thing that you must keep in mind, folks, also is that if you're really good with astrology, like some of y'all are some astrology scholars out there, like people I know can actually read those natal charts where they have all these lines going everywhere. Your sun is rising in the west or the west. Your sun is, going down in the south. Oh, I don't know how to read it. I don't know exactly how to read it. But all I know is if you're really good with astrology, you can kind of foresee when your sign is coming to a season or a time on your path where you're gonna be able to attract money. Now, this is for only the astrology majors. This is for the people that are really good at astrology, okay? So make sure that when you get a chance, you go back, look at your natal chart, and try to gain understanding on when you're gonna be able to attract money, if that makes any sense. That's something that I like thought about. When I was coming up with this topic, I was like, well, if they go back and they look at all, their astrology charts and stuff like that, and their natal charts and their personality charts, maybe some people are more intelligent enough to like really see where they're going to be able to make money, whether it's going to be in February, whether it's going to be in March. I thought that was pretty clever because I personally know people that know how to read, astrology charts and whatnot. If you know how to read astrology, you're very good at it. You're interested in it. Also, speak up, let your voice be heard. Let everybody know that you're into this because they might need some help from you. So leave a comment below if you're really into astrology. Also, if you know how to read astrology charts, also speak up, let your voice be heard below because some people might need you to read their chart. Okay, so, how to use zodiac signs, in astrology to attract money is really possible. It's really possible. I've heard that Aquariuses are some of the most financially stable people in the zodiac sign. I've heard that Sagittariuses are so adventurous that they spend all of their money all the time. I heard that Tauruses are most likely to become rich, in the zodiac sign. So I've heard so many different things, but what have you heard about your zodiac sign and whether or not you can attract money? Can you attract money really good in your sign, or is that something that you find you have a hard time doing? Thank you so much for tuning in, folks. I thought this would be a very interesting topic. I hope you loved it and I hope it resonated with you. So give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you want to watch another video on how to attract money, check out this video right here. I will see you on the other side. By the way, if you're a subscriber and you want to talk to me one-on-one and you need help with something, advice with something, you need me to teach you how to do something, I can do it today. All you have to do is get me one-on-one. Just click the link in the comment section that I have at the very top and sign up. Become a REM team member, or you can just simply sign up for a quick talk. Whatever service fits you, I will be able to assist you today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe. See my little face right there? Make sure you subscribe and check out this next video as well. I'll see you on the other side. Peace.